The T48S supports static forwarding and dynamic forwarding. To use the call forward function, you can configure your phone to forward incoming calls. There are mainly three types of static forwarding as follows. Always forward, whereby incoming calls are immediately forwarded. Busy forward, incoming calls will be immediately forwarded if the phone is busy. No answer forward, where calls are forwarded if not answered after a period of time. To configure your phone to forward incoming calls to another party using static forwarding, simply press the menu and select Features, select Call Forward, and then choose the related call forwarding type. Enter the set page. Choose On, and fill the number that you would like to forward to. After the settings are complete, press Enter to exit. The call forwarding icon will be shown in the top of the phone's LCD screen. When the phone receives a call, it will be forwarded. Meanwhile, the LCD screen will display the call forwarding information. You can press View to check the forwarding record. Additionally, using transfer function key can turn on or off the forward function freely. There is also the option of dynamic forwarding. You can forward calls while your phone is ringing. While the phone is ringing, press the forward or transfer function key, then enter the number you want to forward the incoming call to. Then press forward to complete forwarding. And the LCD screen will display a call forward message.